I've got to understand. That's the way it's got to be.
What's up, Southern California? This is the Inland MC, your boy Impact the Illest. Right here we have Slides Wicked, Tantrum, Little Kush, and KT. Check this out, Cypher number 5. Yeah, Slides Wicked IE, G.O.R.E. yo. Yeah, yo. Yo, yeah, yo.
The name is Slides Wicked. I popped up on the scene, I demolish any MCs into the smithereens. I got them sick thoughts slapping when your blood drops. I'm the reason why you MCs is fucking heart stops. I'm too ferocious, I focus on being the dopest. You should David Carradine yourself, I'll show you all where the rope is. See, my vocabulary is just that scary. You're not even worthy to be my goddamn adversary. Now your career I bury, I'm that mercenary. I'll have your mama crying blood like the Virgin Mary. My shit is cold when I rap, I got no heart. A savage animal with claws ripping you apart. See, I'm as real as they come, this mic is not a toy. I enjoy every single beat, yeah, I destroy. My brain pattern is something you can't comprehend. I do this rap shit for real, y'all play pretend.
Chance to the Nemesis, Murder Vow. Alright. Yeah. Get gon' tell him I still a vista. I'm proper, the doctor to properly greet ya. When these foes miss no heat seek ya. Go smoke crack, no reefer. Now you's a fucking drug addict. You the dumb bastard. I'm the black bastard that came through with the black standard. And came through and leave all these rappers backhanded. Came to the battle mad. Matter of fact, I cheered up, came to the battle sad. I don't even need a gangbang. I don't need to fucking say where I'm from, maintain. I don't even talk about it. I just got the proper and I got the doctor. Matter of fact, I got a vodka. Matter of fact, I'm so high in the sky, nigga, I'm a motherfucking helicopter. I ain't even gotta talk. I don't rap, nigga, I just fucking walk. I'm an R&B singer. Motherfucker, I just fucking winger. I'm breaking these niggas' finger, delinquent. Nigga, when I lay you in the cement, you better fucking repent. Pussy, you a vagina. I skydive out of the fucking sky, every bar so saliva.
Lil Kush, West Los Angeles. About the pay-per-click, Westside Originals Car Club, what's good? Yo, check me out. Listen. I'm Little Kush about the paper, taking care of business. Overlooking you hating this, looking like some bitches. See what the hood got us facing, wrong ways with good intentions. That's why us quit catching cases and overlook the sentence. See what I'm believing in, love it'll leave it be. If you believe in anything, baby, believe in me. I stick around through ups and downs and everything between, just till I get that money coming in like it's needing me. To Easy Street, from a place where you ain't seeing peace. Los Angeles got city love, but most city beef. Until you live there, you never know how shit really be. And just knowing my peoples is killing each other, killing me.
What's up? It's KT, ATM, addicted to music. I'm on a quest to be the best, protected from hexes, which is sending in my direction. Young, never reckless, running down my checklist of bullet points of success. Ate a thunderbolt for breakfast, just to energize my flesh. Gifted mind, but the question's chaotic. Better stack your knowledge. Dead brains, toxic waste. Freebase and paper makers, I'm baking inside the lab. Ain't got my hand out for no favors. Breaking up the foundation of how the game's made up. Rampage as a kid. Blame it on San Andreas' fault. Slowly molding the way I walk and the way I talk. My incidents I've been through, things that I was taught. Once I get a golden mind, hunt stalk like a hawk. Fly guy, night rider, young David Hasselhoff. Blast it off like Jimmy Neutron, my mutant. She in with the movement, I tell her get a move on. Out of place, like Rudolph. These lames don't wanna play with me. Say the truth to their face and they too fake to take it. These dudes too basic, mentally erasing. No time for vacations, we can still dream chasing. I'm filling up my bank, I relax when I make it. Keep some savages behind me like a hip-hop gangster kind. Hatred's kin envy, so I shake it off. Me, Fate, and Mary Jane got a pretty kinky mind. My grind is slipped down to the type of things that I be on. Building a buzz for light years, infinity beyond. True color shine, mine brighter than neon. Trekking through the stars, no time for a Klingon. So the devil over my shoulder, bitch nigga be gone. He creeping in the shadows, feel I'm lurking behind. Got G.O.D. and some reefer, I know that I'ma be fine. Khalifa's empire, young tyrant on the rise. My name to the sky, got the spray for these flies. My veins filled with rhymes, cause my brain's being flied. Passionate, ambitious, wise ass, it's my sign. Motivated by this paper, my hunger, will, and my pride. Tell who's real by the look in their eyes. So till the world gets healed, I'll be watching my spine.
Deal, that shit was sick. Cypher number 5. Make sure to comment and vote who you thought killed it. Go ahead, right here on the YouTube comments, right there. Yeah, leave a little something. Say who you thought killed it. Slice Wicked, Little Kush, Tantrum, KT, we up in this motherfucker. Shout out to Coexist 13, Hollywood Fast Forward, Double Eyes the fuck up, the Inland MC. You can, if you're looking to get on the cypher, go to the Inland MC cypher page on Facebook. Hit us up.
Next episode, all female cypher.